Guys, check this out. Boing.
You were just making that noise.
No, I'm not. Look. Boing.
That's so trippy, yo!
How is the cyborg mouth sound coming from that spring?
Well, I was just hanging out in my room, missing sound and all, so I started creating my own sound effects.
Whoa. That is so good!
I know, right? So I started to flick this spring while saying boing. And after a while, it made the sound on its own.
That's amazing.
It sure is. Can you do a water sprinkler, Cyborg?
Please.
Oh, do the bullfrog.
Ribbit. Ribbit.
No, I meant it's amazing the sound he made printed onto the object. It seems the Whisperer has created a sound vacuum to which we can assign our own sounds.
You mean we can replace the missing sounds in the world?
Then, Titans, let's make sounds. Crack! Whack! Smack! Crack-a-lack-a-smack, smack! Hey, hey, hey! Hey, hey, hey! It's working!
Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da!
Bam! Bam! Bam!